Too many times I've sat here and wondered, was it all worth it? Was everything that happened over the past 2 years as an ultimate ever worth it? Well, if I was looking at the situation with my usual perspective, yes, it would be. Extremely worth it. It's now my 7th year as an officially recognized ultimate in this country. And the work never gets any easier. The business world is ruthless and unforgiving, but having this talent feels unfair in the grand scheme of it all. Many companies fear the repercussions of a deal gone wrong with an ultimate, while select few will actively use it to their advantage. I know that I've grown. I know that I'm one of the best in this field. I know that I earned this title. And still I feel this way, awaiting a punishment that has haunted me for too long. Far too long. The 5th meeting of the day, and it's only 12. These people love to test my patience. But if I complain about it, apparently that's not what an ultimate is like. Alas, we live and learn. We push onwards. Alice, I'd like to see the concurrent results on our latest investments into Marmo as soon as possible. Please and thank you. Manri Corp. The company passed down from my father, that was passed down from his father, and so on. It's always been my life. Oh, and one last thing. Please inform all relevant parties concerning the temporary position to be here at 8 a.m. sharp. And now for a small period of time, it won't be. It's not long, mind you, only a few days. You'd think an ultimate jury would have a decision wrapped up in a few hours, but it's currently impossible to judge.
Sir, I have Kai Ueno waiting in the lounge to see you. Am I okay to send him in?
Of course. Kai Ueno. Even if he and I go way back, it feels very wrong for the defense attorney to meet with a member of the jury. Whatever, I'll get this over with as quickly as possible.
Hey, Osiego! How's it hanging?
I don't see anything hanging here.
Same old, huh? You gotta loosen up a bit, man.
Well, it's nice to see you in high spirits, Ueno. How has the law been?
Not great, which shouldn't come as a surprise. This whole ultimate jury thing has sent everyone for a loop. Huh? You okay?
Shouldn't you not be mentioning that around me?
What do you mean? Like in a... Oh, crap. I did it again.
What do you mean, again?
That's not important. But I guess that makes explaining why I asked to meet you a little bit easier.
Please don't say you're actually here to discuss the case with me.
Whoa! We got a mind reader over here.
Kai, this is stupid. Just because we're friends doesn't mean...
Dude, just relax. I know what I'm doing. And, hey, it's not like you're gonna snitch, right? This country isn't even fully used to the concept of jury duty yet. Most people are too scared to even take up the position. You think they're gonna bother reading up on what you can and can't do outside of court?
Well, you're not wrong there. It has been years since the first test trial involving it. What was it again?
You mean the artist dude whose daughter apparently poisoned him?
Something like that. Anyway, let's cut to the point. This is...
all the information I could find on your fellow jurors. I suppose if...
Kai, you can't do this either.
What?
As a juror, I'm not allowed to research the case at hand. From what I can tell, these are just my fellow... Wait, jurists?
What's up?
Everyone here is referred to as a jurist. I noticed the same label has been attached to us in those press releases too, but that isn't correct, right?
Right. A lot of us were confused about that too. But it was a decision by the higher-ups.
To use incorrect terminology?
No. They knew exactly what they were doing. I mean, with how much the courts want to appeal to the public, giving an ultimate the label of a jurist would make them sound a lot more suited for the position.
So they used our titles as a means to make us appear as legal experts alongside our relevant talents?
I guess? Besides, you remember what I said about the whole jury system still being relatively unknown, right? As bad as it sounds, they can fool the public with stuff like this.
And you're okay with this?
No, of course not. I'm... sorry, though. I shouldn't have brought up the file.
Well, as you said, it's not like I plan on snitching, as you call it. How'd you even come across this information? It's quite plentiful.
The chief prosecutor left it all out on his desk. All 15 profiles.
15? That doesn't sound right. There should be 16 here in total, not 15.
Oh, yeah. I left your profile out. Sorry. I should have mentioned it before. I figured you didn't really need to know any more about, well, you.
There's only 14 profiles here. Why, though? I should bring this up to Kai, but maybe it was just another mistake of his? I'm sure it doesn't mean much.
Well, any good?
You could say that. Although I can't say I'm happy with how you obtained it.
I know. But man, this whole thing has messed with my head big time. Plus, the chief prosecutor's a tool anyway. This is my way of getting back at him.
Is he going to be the one opposing you in court?
No, but I almost wish he was. Whoever it is, they probably have more to work with than me. Or maybe they don't. Man, I'm exhausted. Thanks for the chat though, Tsurugi. I should probably get going.
I hope you're at least more knowledgeable on what you can and can't get away with, Kai.
Yeah. When this trial business is all done and dusted, we should hang out again, man. You know, just like the old days.
Sure. I'm sure I can find the time.
You better. You know, Tsurugi, you should think about what I said earlier.
Which is?
Loosening up a bit. Take it from me. Forgetting about your work even for a brief moment can take so much weight off your shoulders. All right, I'm off. See ya!
Forget about work. Maybe he has a point. I made that promise to myself, though, after what happened to him. That's not who I am.